I have doctors that come through, a bunch of them actually, in the past like 2 years, doctors who have gone, these are medical doctors who have come through my mentor course. One of them recently, became a friend of mine and told me that I think I'm going to leave the medical profession to do this full time. And I said, no, wait, don't. We need doctors. We need doctors here. Don't do that. Just do it part time. You can double, triple your income just doing it part time.
Yeah.
But if you were a lawyer, I would say, yeah, good. We got too many lawyers here. But,
I love it.
so as you look at this market, David, this is not a good market for cash flowing properties.
No.
It's not a good market for that. So people looking for cash flow are going to have a hard time here. They're going to hit a wall pretty quickly. Now, that said, there are exceptions to it. I've got a few properties that are cash flowing here, but it's mostly vacation rentals, right? So if you get into some kind of niche like that, okay, you can make it work. If you do something super creative, yes. But for the most part, dollar for dollar, you're not going to do well here trying to cash flow something. You could take that same money and go somewhere else and make double or triple what you're going to make here. So when people tell me, yeah, I'm looking for properties that I can rent, I can hold and rent here in Oahu, the first thought that goes through my head is, okay, I think you need to get educated first. Because if you're planning to do that, this is not the ideal market. And I could show, you some numbers. And, but that said, so this may be a crappy market, this local market for cash flowing. It is an excellent market for wealth creation. And that's what I mean when I said, wealth creation. Flip a house, make 100,000, do a development project when you're ready and trading for that. You can make 800,000, on a single project. It could take 2 to 3 years to do that, but still. So this is a great wealth creation market. You talk about, becoming a millionaire. It's not a terribly big deal. This is a great way to do it. But so I encourage people again to focus on initially on the wealth creation, and then when you get more money than you need to live, now take some of that money and use that to invest in your passive and get some cash flow. Does that make sense?
No, that makes awesome sense.